Hi there, guys. We're joined by the esteemed James tonight. James, what are you doing here at the Shanghai International Football League?
So tonight we've come here. I'm a drummer for the Spaghetti Cowboys. So we're the entertainment for tonight. Come here as a drummer. That's why I'm here.
Very nice. So, guys, the viewers that don't know, James is one of our PGCE graduates. So I'd love to take you from the party. James, for the viewers watching, why did you want to do a PGCE?
So most of the reason why I took on the PGC really was that for all the kids in my class, whether they're strong or weak in English, that I could be able to support how they're getting on developing with their English. I could become a better teacher for those who can develop full sentences, or even those that are slightly less competent in my class. I could be able to differentiate what I'm doing.
Nice.
I can really be able to provide some assistance for what they're doing, become a better teacher.
Perfect. Now, how do you feel now you're about to graduate? Do you feel like you've got something out of the PGCE?
Fully, after doing my research, that's involved my class. First and foremost, I wish I could be able to move up with them. I think what I've learned over the last year, it would really help for them to develop in the international schools.
Nice.
Also for me, I think for the years to come, I can take what I've learned and be able to provide a better teaching environment for anyone who's well, hopefully going to be in my class next year as well.
That works. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to drop the link below. You can click it. Check out Spaghetti Cowboys. Their music is amazing. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you.